Welcome to ManCave Garage Workshop. Today we're going to take a look at my garage. It is partially a workshop, but we are going to be doing a makeover in here, which is going to take probably the next few months at least. And so what I want to do today is really just show you kind of the before of what it looks like and some of the things that we're thinking about doing. And over the next few months, we'll show you some videos of some of the projects that we're going to be taking on to make this more of a man cave garage workshop. So here we go. So first, we'll walk over here and take a look at the vacuum system. We are going to be replacing this with a new dust collection system. So that's the existing system. I love having a garage vacuum system. That vacuum system is going to become more of a car vacuum system as opposed to a dust collector for my tools. As you can see, we have the outdoor tools hanging here. Then my existing workbench, which you can see has gotten a good amount of use over the last 8 years. This workbench has been sanded down a number of times already and restained, and you can see it's time for it again. Not really sure if we're going to leave this workbench here or what. This is a flip-up worktop, so as you can see here on the side, these 2x4s come out, and then this flips down. You can see below we use it for some scrap wood storage with some of the paint underneath, and then a cleat system on the wall here where I can move all this stuff around. Not sure if we'll leave that or not yet. And then you see I have some cabinets up here that I built a number of years ago. Those will probably stay, maybe even expand those as well. One of my favorite features about the garage is this slimline garbage and recycle area. So we bought these nice thin garbage pails and have a flip down worktop that I can use if I need it. And then of course we got the required bottle opener for man cave as well. So the one thing about this workbench is really had to make it slim against the wall so we could park the car in here. We do utilize the garage for the 2 cars, so we really had to be conservative about the space that we had to be able to build this workbench. Moving over here, you can see the shoe rack. This is in desperate need of an upgrade. We'll need to account for many more shoes than I currently have ability to store here. We also have my rolling workbench. That gets a lot of use. It doesn't really get rolled around a lot, but that might change in the future. We have the refrigerator and freezer here for the outdoor extra storage for our food and beer. Of course, this is not just a regular fridge. This is our beer fridge. So we do take great care to keep that stocked. Over here we have some racks that I built here a few years back, really when we moved in here about 8 years ago. These are rolling racks. They were originally built for outdoor storage and stuff. So back here we have the water softener and the water heater. These obviously will stay. These can't go anywhere. This is the box from tools that I just bought and did a review on for YouTube. And then you can see a bunch of storage along this wall, including my current miter saw and table saw, and then we have the generator up front along with the air compressor, and of course storage up on the wall here along with the bikes. So there's a lot of work to be done here. I am planning on putting a miter saw station on this wall. That is the current plan. We'll see if we actually follow through on that. And then we might have to move that air compressor as well. We are going to build a workbench, rolling workbench, that will be a table saw extension table, and that will go up against the wall here behind me where these racks are. So we're going to get rid of these, and this will be where we put the rolling workbench. And then of course the generator, we need to decide if that generator is going to stay or go, and find someplace outside to be stored. This kayak trailer is going to be still stored in this garage, so whatever we do need to be able to get this in and out of the garage and be able to pull it out for when I'm going to be doing work. And then of course got other things here like the golf clubs and the pressure washer, lawnmower over there, and the bikes. So a lot of work to be done to really organize and be able to use this as a man cave garage workshop. But there is a plan in the works, and over the next few months we'll be showing you the different projects we're going to take on to really transform this garage. The first project is going to be the floors. We are going to put tile down on these floors. The current floor is an epoxy that we had when we moved in, and that epoxy is starting to wear after 8 years. You can see we have some tire pull up here, some gouges here that's happened from certain things, and then of course we had some cracking in the floors. So with all this stuff in the garage, rather than pull everything out and leave it outside for a few days, we are going to go with the tiles, and we'll do a video on that as well. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you subscribe and follow us over the next few months as we transform this garage, and I can't wait. I'm very excited. See you soon.